Hello there, I'm Daniel, the founder of Galactic Games, and today I will show you how to make a simple main menu in Unreal Engine 5 and 4. First, create a user widget blueprint. Name it something like main menu and open it. To make work easier, type the widget tab to your layout. In the palette, search the canvas panel and add it. In Unreal Engine 4, it's already there by default. Add a vertical box inside the canvas panel. This helps organize buttons and text. Add a button into the vertical box. Rename it, for example, Play button, to keep things clear. Add text inside the button. Change the text size. Label it Play Game. In the Details panel, you can change the button color and other style option. Use Ctrl-C and Ctrl-V to duplicate the button. Change text as needed. Align all text to the left. Add spacer between the buttons. Set it to 20 pixels for better spacing. Repeat this for each button. Select the Quit Game button and create an on-clicked event. Right-click in the graph and add a Quit Game node. Now, when button is clicked, the game will close. Go to the level blueprint. Add Event Begin Play. Add Create Widget. Add to Viewport. Select your main menu widget. And show mouse cursor. Uncheck Context Sensitive to find the setting. And connect Get Player Controller. When we start the game, the event Begin Play is triggered automatically. This event creates widget class, in our case the main menu. Then the widget is added to the viewport, which means it becomes visible on the screen. The Show Mouse Cursor option is also enabled. Show Mouse Cursor is a variable from the Player Control class, which handles various input functions. That's why we need to access it through Get Player Controller. Save your changes and test the game. The menu appears and the Quit Game button works. Open the widget again. Create a new animation for each button. Add the button's text to the animation timeline. And color and opacity, and transform tracks. Change the color to red and scale the size for a hover effect. Repeat for each button. Add on hovered and on unhovered events. Connect them to play animation. Connect current animation. For unhover, set the animation to play in reverse. Hovering over the button now starts the animation, and unhovering reverses it. Add on-hovered and on-unhovered events for each button. Rename all buttons. Now you can organize your blueprint. Use Ctrl+C to add comments in your blueprint. And color them. Let's go to test it. It looks like the Quit Game button has a wrong animation assigned. Simply connect the current animation. Now everything works. Create an on-click event for the Play Game button. Use Remove from Parent to hide the menu. Hide the mouse cursor. Clicking the Play Game button will now close the menu and hide the mouse cursor. This menu is not professional, but it works. Perfect for getting started. Thank you for supporting Galactic games, and in the next videos, we will show you how to improve and complete the menu. Don't forget like and subscribe, and have a Galactic day!